Perhaps there are memories or moments of when you were joyful. And where in your body do you experience joy? Like the butterflies in your tummy, or a lightness in your heart. Perhaps there is a gentle smile on your face. Allow these feelings of joy to amplify. More memories are coming to mind of when you were joyful, happy, laughing. And notice how you feel right now. How do you experience joy? Take great note of how you feel right now, almost like you can take a picture of exactly how joy feels for you. Feel yourself creating a map of joy within you. You have created the beautiful feeling of happiness just by thinking about it. So just be happy by recalling memories and things that make you happy. Again, think of those things that bring you joy. Perhaps your animals or friends, family members. Perhaps creating art or music brings joy to you. Feel this energy of joy pulsating through your body. You are allowed to be joyful no matter what's going on around you. This is your birthright, your choice to be happy. Now just meditate as you feel the power of joy coursing through your entire body. Notice how beautiful you are. The beautiful joy that you radiate out to others. Bring a big smile to your face now. Let the joy show on your expressions. Now imagine that you can breathe in joy fully and deeply. The fresh oxygen is filled with the beauty of happiness. Remember that you can carry this feeling of joy with you no matter where you go. It comes from within you. Say to yourself now this beautiful affirmation to finish your meditation. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. And remember, no matter the situation, you can bring joy to it. So next time you are stuck in a situation that is difficult, remember those beautiful, joyful, and happy moments of your life. Remember what it's like to feel it in your body. Very good job today. Simply open your eyes and go about your day in a state of joy.